Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Stacey Moss, and I'm here to provide you with essential insights into the world of family law. Today, we're discussing a topic that is not only relevant, but also critical if you're navigating a divorce. We're discussing what assets are protected in a divorce in Texas. So whether you're directly involved in a divorce or just seeking information, you are in the right place. At its core, a marital asset includes any valuable possession, property, or financial resource owned by either spouse. These assets come in various shapes and sizes, from tangible properties to intangible financial resources. In the context of marriage, these assets are often seen as jointly owned by both partners and can be subject to division if the marriage comes to an end. It is important to note that the way assets are classified and divided can vary slightly based on a variety of factors. Now let's talk about the kind of assets that are typically a part of a marriage. Number one is real estate properties. This includes family homes, vacation properties, and even plots of land that either spouse may own. Number two is bank accounts, savings accounts, checking accounts, and other financial accounts held by either spouse. Number three are investments, like stocks, bonds, retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, and various other investment types. Number four are vehicles, which include cars, motorcycles, boats. All of these tangible assets are part of the marital estate. Number five is precious items, which are anything from engagement rings to watches and other valuable collectibles. These hold both personal and financial value. Number six is business interest, such as ownership in a business. Regardless of the size, your own business is seen as an asset. Number seven is household items, such as furniture, electronics, appliances, and artwork. These all contribute to the overall value of the marriage. Number eight is intellectual property, like copyrights, patents, and trademarks. These can also be considered assets. Number nine is retirement plans, like pensions and other retirement assets accumulated during the marriage. And finally, number 10 is debts. While debts are not assets, shared debts like mortgages are intertwined within the financial picture. Now that we've established that, let's get to the heart of the matter, which is what assets are protected in a divorce in Texas. Number one is separate property, which are assets owned before marriage or obtained through gift, devise, or inheritance. Number two is agreement-designated assets, which are assets specified in a legally valid prenuptial or postnuptial agreement. Number three is assets held in trust, like certain types of trust, especially those established before the marriage. And number four is certain compensation from injury claims. Compensation received from personal injury claims is commonly treated as separate property. Keep in mind that identifying and safeguarding assets can be a very complex process. Individual circumstances can significantly impact asset classification and protection. Documenting everything meticulously and seeking professional legal counsel are absolute musts for ensuring your peace of mind. A skilled family law attorney experienced in Texas divorce can offer the guidance needed to navigate these complexities and secure your assets per Texas law. And there you have it, an in-depth explanation of what assets are protected in a Texas divorce. I hope this information has shed some light on the topic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And remember, if you're facing a divorce or have any legal questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan. Thank you for tuning in today.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.